Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and create a fillable form from Excel in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or installed, what you want to do is go to the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com, from where you can access the products and find the Adobe Acrobat section. Here you can get started downloading the application, and once you've done so, you can install it. And once you have installed it, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From where you're going to go and be able to take a look at the recommended tools section, which is great if you're a beginner, where we can go and take a look at all the tools that are in our disposal to create and edit PDFs. So now we can go ahead and follow this article right here on creating fillable forms that we can go and use to turn a scanned paper form or document created in Excel or other applications into a fillable PDF form. So basically guys, we are going to select all tools from the toolbar and choose prepare a form. And how we can do so is by clicking the edit a PDF option. This is going to enable us to either create a PDF or edit a PDF, but as you can see guys, you need a premium plan, so you cannot do so with a free trial or a free version. You need the premium version of Adobe Acrobat, after which you can get started with accessing the edit options. Once you have done so, you can get started with following the steps right here in this article. I suggest going to go ahead and check it out for yourself for your specific use case and getting started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.